Hey everyone, it's Diamond Monet. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you're here. Today I'm going to get my hair done. So I just wrapped my entire head in a braid today. But I am taking a lift. This is my second time. The first time that I've ever taken a lift, it was the other day to go see one of my friends. I took a lift. But this time I'm taking it to go to the hair salon. Only because I woke up really late and so I don't want to stress my mom out driving there for me. But before this video gets started, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to join the family. Our family has been growing so much lately and I would love you to be a part of it. And so I'll get back to you when we're entering the lift.
I just started, so I don't know much yet. But Ruby, my girlfriend, told me that. And I'm bright, but
Yeah.
just finished it too.
I'm terrified of getting my eyebrows done. I know people do it, but
Lashes or
eyebrows. I know people do it, but I've been terrified of it my whole life. I just tried doing them at home. Alrighty. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah.
God bless you. Alright. Let's go. I'm late for the appointment. She's gonna be so mad at me. Okay, y'all. Okay. Now that I actually made it to the appointment, I was able to actually sit down and relax. Here's some of the hair that I got for the style that I want. Super, super excited for it. By the way, this is the style that I'm getting. Like, how cool is that? I'm super excited to get this style, so yay! Let's get started. Got all the products there. Ooh, nice band. As always, we started with a washing of my hair, which I did definitely need, and it felt super good. I'm not even going to lie. Sometimes this is my favorite part. Now that my hair is nice and washed, it's time to blow dry it out. All blow dried. There's nothing wrong with jamming out. Singing songs. Sometimes the hair salon has the best songs playing while you're getting your hair done. I love how everyone here is like into the end. I love how everyone is gonna hear Let Go and all its fun songs. After we played a ton of songs, my hairstylist Courtney decided that it would be great to watch a movie. So, can you guess what movie we watched? If your guess was Frozen, you are 100% correct. Cold never bothered me anyway. I would go out and pick out like the one dress that had like the arms that had some kind of like fluff or flurry on them. So when I like flung them in the air with my, I was very serious. I did all the stomps, all the like, I had everything. I was like, all over. Yeah! In that living room. Wait, 8 years? Yeah! Come on, girl! Yes! Oh my gosh!
That is too good.
Yeah. Yeah, no, all the things. Oh my gosh, I had everything. Really is nothing like getting to jam out to songs that you grew up with and talk about old stories. I used to totally dance in the living room of my house, take the entire floor to just jam out to these songs. And so it was cool to get to tell everyone in the shop about those memories.
I would slam the door in the house. I'd be like, boom! She's like, not so hard! I was like, okay! These are buzz. I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. In my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, probably getting gorgeously tanned in summer. Yes. So intense. Put it together in just a minute. Winters put down to stay up and cuddle, but quickly in summer, and I'll be a happy snowman. It's my dream. That's true. Sled resting in the sky. And you guys will be there too. When I finally do frozen things do in summer. I'm gonna tell them, don't you dare. It's summer. Period.
After we had our dance session and finished Frozen, we began braiding once again, and we started watching Princess and the Frog, which is one of my favorite Disney movies. So much progress already. Yay, so we're excited. Look at how long they are. Yay. Oh, there's Courtney. After we finished Princess and the Frog, we started watching America's Funniest Videos Animal Edition. Yeah, right there the whole time.
Water must be mighty tasty.
Woo! Child, no.
She said, child, no.
Reese can be so mean to Doobie sometimes.
You look like a doobie.
Doobie has to.
She can't take her eyes off that rooster.
You gotta
She
be like
should've.
that. You better not.
There's only one thing that can make this any more durable.
Ta-da! Finally done.
Deep down, they
I don't know about y'all, but when I change my hair, get braids or curl it in a different way, I totally feel like a new person. It's an incredible feeling.
want some?
Super grateful.
I prefer laying the ball on the wall.
Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Oh, hey! Yeah, I was just taking a few selfies
Gotta
for
come
my
out straight.
Instagram and Facebook. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. Unless, of course, an animal is involved.
The braids were finally done. It was time that we did them.
Perfection.
And now we're dipping another section of
It's just
braids.
me.
While we're also still watching America's Funniest Videos Animal Edition. Here we are.
$1,000 giveaway goes to Paula Poplos from Oxford, Pennsylvania, and her dog of a fear hugger. And that it isn't always good for the trains to run.
And forgot to tell you guys, I got my nails done the other day, and I just think they're super cute. So here's a nice glimpse. Ta-da!
Even if you blink, you might miss something. You do?
You ever watch Yogi Bear?
Yes! Oh my gosh, that's what sounded familiar. That's my dad's favorite.
Yogi?
But when he recognized
I look like my uncle in this cap.
My bad.
Oh boy. We did it! Hallelujah! It's done! Okay.
I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Now that we put the foam on, Courtney put me under the dryer. While I was under the dryer, I just played on my phone and chilled for 5 minutes. Oh.
Different.
Swing. Alrighty, y'all. Braids are done. And yes, for those of you who were wondering why my mask is crooked in this shot, my mask broke, and so while I was under the dryer, I had to fix it by tying a knot around my ear. It turned out amazing. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to join the family, because we've got a great family and you should be a part of it. We really want you to be a part of it. So make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I'm just gonna be over here feeling myself. I'm feeling myself in these braids. Also, peep the Secret Scrunch. Go and visit my past 2 vlogs to hear about the Secret Scrunch, but basically, it's a scrunchie that has a zipper, so it holds stuff in it, and it's super cool, and you should get one, so I'll link that below. But yeah, I love you guys and hope you guys have a great day. Bye!
And all the corners. Sachet.
And coat!